Ubuntu DDE 20.04 LTS is a remix OS of Ubuntu 20.04 version. Remember one thing, Ubuntu DDE and Ubuntu normal OS, both the developers are different. DDE, which means Deep in Desktop Environment. So hey guys, this is Tapan and you are watching Tricknology YouTube channel. So today in this video tutorial, I will show you guys how you can download and freshly install Ubuntu DDE Linux to your old PC or laptop. Please note, make sure you have backup all your data to an external hard drive or pen drive. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So at first you need to open your browser and you have to go to this website, which is ubuntudde.com. So the link I will provide in my video description. You can copy paste from there. After go to this website, you have to click on this download button. So here you will get 4 alternative download link. You can download it from torrent, or either you can download it from Google Drive or Megalink or SourceForge. Okay, and also you have to download the Rufus tool, which is the USB bootable maker. So after go to this website rufus.ie, you have to scroll down and you will get a 2 version, installer and portable. Installer you need to install, and portable you can directly use this tool. So I will download portable. So this ISO file and this tool I have already downloaded on my computer, so I have copy paste on my desktop, as you can see. So if you will click on any of this link, it will redirect to the download link page and you can download it from there. As you can see, it will download shortly. So I will not download it again because I have already downloaded on my computer. So now what I have to do is I have to insert my pen drive on my computer, which I have already inserted. As you can see, there is my 30 GB pen drive. And now you have to open Rufus tool. Click on yes. Now click on no. It's showing like updates online. For now I will click on no. And as you can see, 32 GB pen drive is showing over there. And here the disk and ISO image you have to select. Click on select and go to that location where you have saved your Ubuntu DDE ISO file. After that, select that file and click on open. Now here you can change the pen drive name like volume level. After that, click on start. Now click on yes. And after that, on this option you have to select write in ISO image mode. Click on OK, and after that click on OK. Now as you can see, it's deleting the partition and clearing MBR. So it will take some time, so you have to wait for a few minutes. So now you have to insert your bootable pen drive to your old laptop or PC. After that, you have to turn on your PC or laptop, and then you have to go to your BIOS setup. Under BIOS setup, you will get an option like boot sequence, and under boot sequence you have to enable UEFI option. After that, you have to go to your secure boot and make sure that secure boot is disabled. Now press F10 and save that settings. After that, you have to boot from your pen drive. So now you have to click on this desktop install Ubuntu DDE icon. So just double click over there and you will get this welcome to Ubuntu DDE installer. So click on next, and after that you have to select your location. So click on next. I will go with the by default option, and now you have to select your keyboard and now click on next. And here I will select erase a disk, which will be completely format my hard drive and automatically create a partition on my computer. Now I have to put my details like my name, password. So here I will put like 123 for example. Again I have to put the same password and click on next. I have to click on install, and again I have to click on install, and as you can see it is installing, so it will take some time. So after completed, you have to click on done, and now it will automatically restart your computer. So I hope this video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.